Came up with another amazing system. Been trading it a little bit in the pre-London session here. Did some practice trading with it the other night. Really enjoying this setup. I've got a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a 15-minute chart with the same chart setup. Then I've got my 60-minute higher time frame. And on this 15-minute chart, I can switch it over to a 15-second chart if I'm in the mood for some extra precision scalping. I've got a couple of micro NASDAQ charts. Then I got a couple of regular NQ charts. So I can go back and forth trading the regular minis or the micros. I got into a long back here. Had the ADX turning bullish back here. You can see the white inside of the candle. It was bullish on the 5 minute as well. And the delta candles were green on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. Had point of control drawn down into this wick. This is where I got long. Got a few points there. Going for very small targets in the London pre-market here. But there's basically three components to these charts. The outline of the candles is based on delta. The insides of the candles is based on ADX. And the background is based on moving average crossovers. And then I've got these divergence triangles that appear. Here's some on the 1 minute chart. So I'm looking for when I got the bullish ADX with the white insides and the green outline for the bullish delta. Then I'm looking for the red delta outline and the black bearish ADX insides. This is a great trade opportunity. Triple divergence, red delta outline, bearish ADX, point of control drawn up into this wick right after the VWAP. Nice little move down there. Same here on the 15-minute chart. Triple divergence, red delta outline, bearish ADX, break below the low, get a nice move down to VWAP here. Just signed in a little bit after 10 during the New York Open. Looking on the daily chart, looks like we just rejected right here the low of all these wicks back here. That was a great level. Just bounced up over 100 points from this level. Approaching the S2 pivot. Got the 20 SMA and the 15-minute center up here. Just got into a short. We've been bullish on the ADX. You can see the white insides of the candles for quite some time now on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. But we just started getting some bearish ADX action. The black insides of the candles. Also, as we were coming up on the 5 minute, the delta outlines, those are turning bearish. As we were coming up to the 15-minute center, kind of wicking off of the 15-minute center, point of control up into the wick here. Got into a little short. The price action has been pretty crazy and up and down, but the picture's been a little bit clearer on the higher time frames, 5 minute and the 15-minute chart. Had this really nice big wick on this 15-minute candle. We had the delta outline turning green. We had ADX turning bullish. Popped up over 100 points since the close of this candle. Price action has been a little crazy today. I got into a short here. We had the ADX turning bearish again. I was looking for a retest of the 20, and right before we got there, it just shot up like 50 some points. So I took a loss there. But then we just rejected off of the 15-minute center and then just came all the way back down, tested the 20 here. I just realized all my moving averages on the charts were totally wrong. I had it set up for a 15-second chart, so I just had to go change all my moving averages. Now I got the 20 and the 250 on the 1 minute. Then I've got the 20 and the 50 on the 5 minute. And then just the 20 SMA on the 15 minute. Just grabbed a short as we pulled back up to the 20 SMA. Got my 10 points. We just had another bearish candle on the ADX on the 5 minute. 15 minute ADX is turning bearish. Moving average crossover background was red across the board here, so grabbed a short. I just saw an email this morning. Take Profit Trader has one of their biggest sales ever. 40% off, no activation fee, and if you pass and get funded, you will get your evaluation fee returned to you on your first paycheck. So that's definitely one of the best deals out there right now. And TradeDay also has 40% off and no activation fee. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. We had all this divergence building up, and then when this 5-minute candle closed, we had a pretty decent bottom wick on this 5-minute candle. And as we had been coming down, the delta candles were green, and we bounced up off a whole number. So we had enough room up to the 20 SMA on the 1 minute for me to get in my scalp, so did take a little bounce long. Just got into a short, loaded up the 15-second chart, saw this wick up here. Delta candle started turning red. We were also turning bearish on the ADX live in real time. When we started popping down back below the 50 level, hopped into a short there. Just got a really big bullish 15-second candle there. After the close here, we just popped up 10 points there, 30 seconds. Just got some double divergence on the 15-second chart. ADX let off the gas there, went back to transparent. We just got a 20-point pullback there. So we've had the moving average crossover green. Had nothing but bullish ADX going on here. Got up to VWAP and getting a little pullback. Just got some double divergence on the 5-minute here, right at VWAP. Had some divergence back here on the 5-minute. Green delta outline, broke higher, broke above the 20, made it up to the next key levels, the 15-minute center and the 50 SMA. We just got some divergence on the 15-second chart, some bullish ADX right there, right at the 15-minute center. Just popped up over 10 points. It's after 12. I think I'm going to be done for the day. Always nice to be green on a Friday. There are links to all of the indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.